Okay, there's our hostel. And the Berlin main station is right there. It's only a block away. It's not even a block. And then this one, it's a really nice building. It's made of glass. Oh, there's the glass, the glass dome building right there. Do you see it? So, I wonder how far it is. Maybe we can just go there first. And then there's Berlin Hauptbahnhof, the Berlin main station. There's the Berlin main train station. So Tommy's gonna get coffee. And these are all the pastries they have. They look so good. Okay, so now our first stop is the Reichtag Building, which is that the one with the glass dome. Look, that looks really nice. My gosh. You gonna take a video? You gonna take a picture? It looks so nice. And then look at the oh my god, look at the train station. It's awesome. Oh, okay. Look, they have so many bikes and scooters for rent. And then there's the bus. Oh, there's the cruise, the river cruise. Did you see the river cruise thingy? Okay, let's go. And it's cold. The temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. Look at the bridge. It's nice. And look, people are just relaxing along the river. That building is really nice. And there's the tower.
It's take us 2 hours to get there.
What?
It's gonna take us 2 hours to get there.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. They have like seats. Yeah. So you can just sit on the Coca-Cola, or does that say Sprite? Yeah, Coca-Cola seats. So you can watch all the swans or whatever on the river. That's cool. Look, they have a path like for bikes and for people. So it's supposed to take 20 minutes to walk, but at the rate that Tommy's walking, it's gonna take 2 hours. Wait, this is the good side. Look at the clouds. No, look at that.
That's cool.
Look at all these planters. And look, they have a Statue of Liberty on a wheelchair. Hey, it's on a wheelchair. The Statue of Liberty. And what is this? Oh, it's a, I guess, parliament or something? Parliament building? It looks nice. Oh, and look at that. Yes, it looks like a parliament building. It's a Deutscher Bundestag. And we're almost at our first stop, the Reichtag. Is it Reichtag? Yeah, Reichstag Building. Right there. Oh, look at this little tricycle thingy. Look at the little tricycle thingy. There it is. Hey, look. Oh, do you want to do like a walking tour? One of the free walking tours? very clean here in Berlin. It's clean in Berlin. Look, we're gonna go up there. See the people walking up on the dome. That's a really nice building. Wow. And then look at this. People can just sit on the bench and relax. It's really cool. Oh, looks like people are taking selfies right there on that pedestal thingy. Okay, there's the Reichtag Building. Oh, look, there's the river cruise thing. Look at that. It looks so nice. There's a tower. Wow, look at that bridge over the river. Oh shit. Look at all the cobblestones. Look at all the tourists. Yeah, we should do the walking tour. It's free. You just have to tip them. Look, I like all the glass buildings. Do you see it? There's so many of them. Oh, there's the Brandenburg gate right there. Oh no, but wait, we have to go to this one first. So nice. There's the German flag. And there's the Reichtag Building. And I think this is the entrance. I don't know, there's like too many tourists. Oh, there's the park. Look, they have a light show from at dusk. Okay, so here we were gonna buy the ticket, and it turns out that the ticket is actually free, but as you can see, there's only like the next available appointment is at 6 p.m. for 5 people, and it's only 1 o'clock. And right here, see, it says it's free. You just need to bring an ID. Okay, let's go. Look, there's so many people waiting to go in. And then here's like the bar, restaurant. No, I want to have the grapefruit beer.